Hi, my name is Deepika and today's video is going to be about high frequency. Just a disclaimer that I'm not an esthetician or a professional. This is just my experience with the high frequency. If you watched my previous ice water facial video, you know I'm looking for ways to upkeep my face during this time. I live in California and our county is still on the watch list, so things haven't opened up since March. And I don't want to fall behind on my skin. So whenever I leave my esthetician, I noticed that my mild psoriasis, the flare-ups would be a lot more calmer. So she recommended that I get the high frequency for home. She told me to look out for Argon Gas. I went on Amazon and I found this kit, which has both the neon and the Argon Gas. So I went ahead and ordered this. By the way, if you are pregnant, have a pacemaker or any implanted electrical device, they say not to use the high frequency. I've been doing high frequency for about a week now. I do this before bedtime, and the nights that I do it, I notice I wake up with a really nice glow. I also notice my psoriasis flare-ups look more calmer.
Let's talk about the benefits of high frequency. High frequency is a natural and effective way to rejuvenate your skin at the cellular level. It has an antiseptic effect where it sterilizes the skin and kills the bacteria. It also oxygenates the skin, improving the overall texture, tone, and glow. The difference between neon and argon gas. The neon gas will give out an orange glow. It helps with anti-aging. The warmth from it will promote blood circulation, which will encourage cellular turnover. The argon gas will give out a violet glow, and it is antibacterial, so it's going to help with acne and pimples, plus provide additional healing benefits.
This kit comes with 3 different neon wands, the Y shape, the mushroom, and then the cone. It also comes with 3 different argon wands, the tongue, the wand, and then the bent. These electrodes are made with tempered glass and then they're filled with gas. The high frequency occurs when the wand touches your skin and makes a buzzing, zapping sound. I know this might sound a little scary, but it's not painful at all. These electrodes are pretty fragile, so make sure you hold them at the base versus the tip because they can break. If you are a little worried about handling them in the beginning, you can always take a towel, hold it, and then go ahead and push it into the base. So that's what I did initially, and then once I became comfortable, I am just able to use it without it. Before you start, make sure to clean all the wands that you're using. I just use rubbing alcohol. Before you start the high frequency treatment, wash your face. They say that with the neon wands, you can apply a serum or a moisturizer, which will help penetrate the product deeper. However, when I did that, I felt like the wand wouldn't glide as smooth and easily. So I went ahead and got a gauze mask. It's all about masks these days, you guys. Face mask, gauze mask. So anyways, and you would just put it on, and then this will help. Wand will glide smoother versus getting stuck if you wanted to use a product. I am going to do it on my dry face for you to see. Turn it on to the intensity you like. They say whatever intensity you can handle, it doesn't matter. It's going to be effective at any intensity. After each treatment, if you can increase the intensity. If you are worried about getting that first initial shock on your face, go ahead and put your finger on it and then apply it. Make sure you release the finger, otherwise it's not going to treat your face and it's going to treat your finger.
Let's talk about the 6 different applicators. This one is the mushroom. It has neon gas and it is a broader applicator, so you can use it to treat cheeks, forehead, and jawline. I would say this is the most popular applicator. The days I don't feel like switching them around and only want to use one, then this would be it. This is the Y shape. It also has neon gas and you can use it for the neck, arms, or legs. This is the tongue. It has argon gas and the shape makes it easy to use under your eye. You can also use it to spot treat acne and pimples. This one is called the Bent. It also has argon gas and it is the smallest applicator, so it's great for smaller areas such as the nose. This is also great for spot treatment on acne and pimples, or if you notice a pimple coming, you can zap it for a few seconds, which will help shorten its lifespan. This is the Rod. It has argon gas, and this applicator is ideal for broader areas. You can use it on your face or any other body part. The comb is filled with neon gas, and it has to be one of my favorite ones. It is great for the scalp to energize hair follicles and promote blood circulation. This can help with hair loss while reducing dryness and dandruff. Lately, I've been noticing a lot of hair loss, and I'm so excited to try this to see if it will help. I first found out about the comb was when I was living in India for a little bit, and I would go to the salon to get these head massages, and they would use this on me, and I thought it was the coolest thing ever, and now I have one.
So this is how my skin is after the high frequency. I do it every other day, under 5 minutes, because they say not to exceed 5 minutes as it can be drying to your skin. And if you do have dry skin and you do find it's drying you out, then they recommend doing it every 5 to 6 days, so once a week. I like it so far, and I'm going to continue using the high frequency, if not every other day, probably once or twice a week. I have linked the high frequency that I'm using and the face gauze in the description below. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, comment below, let me know if you've tried the high frequency, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.